Hey everyone! Today, I'm really excited to share with you how I managed to get the HappyMod app on my iPhone. For those who might not be familiar, HappyMod is not typically available for iOS devices. However, I've discovered a method that works, and the best part is that you can do this on the latest iOS version without needing to jailbreak your device. First things first, let's start by confirming that my iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Here you can see, my device is completely up to date with the latest iOS version. This is important because many people believe that apps like HappyMod can't be installed on newer versions of iOS without jailbreaking. Now let's open up the HappyMod app. As you can see, it's fully functional and works just like it would on an Android device. So how did I get HappyMod on my iPhone? If you're interested in having HappyMod on your iOS device, keep watching this video. I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. This way, you can easily follow along and get HappyMod installed on your own iPhone without any issues. Let's get started. First, let's start by adjusting a couple of settings to optimize your device for this app. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for HappyMod and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.